In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a moving background in CapCut. We'll create a smooth, professional-looking background motion using simple keyframes on the scale property. This is perfect for gentle push-ins, pull-backs, or adding a bit of life to a static image. First, make sure your project is open in the CapCut editor. Go to the top right and open the media section. Click the plus import button to bring in your background video or image from your computer. Once the upload finishes, add it to your timeline. If it's an image, don't worry about black bars or sizing just yet. We'll handle that with scale in a moment. Place the clip at the spot in your timeline where you want the moving background to appear, and make sure it's selected. Now, set up the movement. Position the playhead exactly where you want the motion to begin. Look over to the Properties panel and find the Scale control. On the right side of Scale, click the keyframe icon. That places your first keyframe and tells CapCut to remember the clip's current size at this exact moment. Next, move the playhead forward to where you want the movement to end. The farther you move the playhead, the slower and smoother the motion will feel. With the playhead at this new point, adjust the scale slider or type in a specific value. Increasing the number creates a zoom in, while decreasing creates a zoom out. CapCut automatically adds the second keyframe for you as soon as you change the scale, connecting the dots between the start and end sizes. Go back to the first keyframe position and press play to preview the movement. Watch for pacing and sharpness. Subtle adjustments often look more polished. Think small changes like 100 to 110 instead of dramatic jumps that can cause blur, especially on lower resolution images. If the motion feels too fast, place the keyframes farther apart on the timeline. If it feels too slow, bring them closer together. And remember, a larger change in scale intensifies the effect, while a smaller change keeps it gentle and cinematic. That's the whole technique. Import your background, set a starting keyframe for scale, move the playhead, set your ending scale value, and preview. With just these steps, you can give any background a clean, dynamic feel that elevates your edit without distracting from your main content. Try a slow push-in for a calm mood or a subtle pullback for reveals. Once you find a motion that fits your style, you can reuse it across projects for a consistent, professional look.